Today we are at St Nicholas Church, which is just on the outskirts of East Kirkby in Lincolnshire. We'll have a try to get through the gate as normal. Yay! Yeah, we've made it through the gate. That's something. Let's have a look around the outside first. We'll go and see if it's open. Apparently Oliver Cromwell stayed here, or his horses did, because they're at the pews inside. Apparently there is horsey damage, which is pretty cool, and I bet we can't get in. Oh, we're halfway in. It says welcome on the door. No, we're not welcome. I don't know why there's a rope there. I'm not going to pull it and find out. Some more stakes there. Some more graffiti. Somebody called Charles. Looks very old. Some more graffiti there. I don't know what that sign's supposed to mean. If anybody knows what that sign means, let me know. Some very old graffiti by the looks of it. So we'll shut this door up again. Don't want to make ourselves unwelcome if we come back again. Super duper lock, by the way. There's some more graffiti there. Ah, cool. All very interesting. Well, let's go back down and have a look around the graveyard. Looks like the place could do with a little bit of restoration. Some of the stonework's looking a bit shabby, some are falling out. Very old bench there. Yeah, I don't want to know what that's all about. No idea what this used to be. Maybe an old shed for looking after the grounds, I suppose. Yeah, I'm definitely not going to lift the lid on that. Curiosity does not get the better of me sometimes. There's an interesting old grave marker over there. We'll head that way in a couple of seconds. We'll just have a look at these. Lots of moles about. I don't know if you can see that. Sorry if you hear weird noise, folks. I've quit smoking and I'm using a vape. So it makes a strange noise. So this is unusual. Never seen a marker like this before, made out of some sort of copper or bronze or something like that. William Patchell, died 16th of December 1929, age 67. R.I.P. Very unusual. That's a funky little memorial. Hello, little bee. And I don't want to know what's going on here. That's plainly a cat carrying case. Something very strange happening, whether it's for drainage or what, don't know. Presumably it is. All very old. Yeah. Presumably this is for drainage. It's got water in it. And yeah, it's very boggy. Oh look, there's a bridge. Let's go and walk over the bridge. Little miniature bridge. Yeah, and daft old me nearly fell over. That's a weird looking piece of wood. Oh, that's not a piece of wood, that's something deceased. Yeah, we'll leave that there. Oh, very, very marshy. Yeah, that was a bird of prey or a pheasant or something like that. St Nicholas's Church. You can see where it's been restored. The last restoration, I believe, was in 1907, where plainly a lot of the stonework was replaced. Pretty cool place. That looks like a big old slab of marble. The old sheriff departed this life April the 17th, 1877. That marble has plainly withstood the test of time, where the rest of the memorial has not. Nope. Tree stump sticking out. So this looks an unusual kind of memorial. It's going the wrong way. All the other burials are going east to west, or sort of that sort of angle, apart from that one. And this one, these two. Never seen a coffin shaped one before. Ah, cool. No windows there, you can't see through them. Oh, this is proper dodgy round here. One of those vampire things. In memory of Thomas Mackinder, who departed this life March 17th, 1800 by the looks of it. And that's the other side of the coffin shaped marker. It's pretty cool. So we're hitting the backs of the far side of the church in a minute. Lots of sunken markers. Lots of not so sunken ones as well. look very old, with railings as well. They appear to have sunk in the ground. It's like time forgot this place. Let's have a trample through the nettles, shall we? Because I love trampling through nettles for all you lot watch these. Still recovering from the last one. That's very sunken there. Presumably that was somebody's gravestone. Not much left of it now. Unusual name on this lady here. In loving remembrance of Eliza Innocent Chapman, who died 7th February 1891, aged 64 years. Cool name, missus. Yeah, that definitely was somebody's marker. And the nettles have got me. Fantastic. That's the next crop of nettles coming through, look. And that just says in loving memory of, and I can't read who's buried there. So we're around the forgotten part of the church now. Not that this whole place isn't forgotten, right, but there doesn't seem to be. Oh, there's a wheelbarrow. Oh, just a hidden wheelbarrow. Somebody plainly looks after this place. Evidence of the restoration, 1905. I haven't looked to see if there's any more graffiti on the outsides. As you can tell, we're well into autumn now. I'm filming this in the middle of October. I thought that was a bone then, but it's not. It's just a big stick. Yes, just a big stick. Cool. Very overgrown in this part. Another broken gravestone there. No idea what's going on over here, but we'll have a look. Somebody's cut a tree down at some point and got very artistic with it. Sunken headstones. Excuse me, somebody's just dumped a pile of muck there. One of those sleeping vampire graves. Quite a few of them in this churchyard. To the memory of Mark Stones, who died July the 18th, 1832. He's 38 years. There's an inscription on the top as well. This really is a sleepy old place. Somebody's buried under the tree. Or the tree grew through out of them. St. Nicholas in all its glory. A few cremations over here. We'll have a look at them. don't know what that's all about. That's some very interesting graffiti. Obviously something was there. I don't see any more graffiti. First church I found with actual graffiti. Pretty cool. And that, my friends, is St Nicholas just outside of East Kirkby. If you like the video, hit that thumb button, drop a comment, subscribe. Thank you all for watching One Man's Random.